gorgeous and lovely, and today we have another topic on the mix. And so it's Maxine. She's on the mix today, and she's talking about a bag of stuff. And as you know, it's always pertaining to those same people that she's having a beef with. And today Lorraine is at the forefront, and someone she refers to as Michelle and Bob. So she's talking about those three persons in her video. Now, she's saying that people were comfortable when her granddaughter was being spoken about, and when she comes out to say something, people are, offended, and they're firing back at her. So she's making some strong allegations and, making some remarks about situations, about Lorraine, and things that, she and Lorraine would have discussed in the past. So you have to go and catch that video to see exactly what Maxine has to say, because she feels that everybody is coming after her. But she's also throwing out a warning out there to say that, listen, whenever you see me or wherever you see me, I'm not walking alone. So go catch that video, see what she has to say. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a wonderful day.
They fool around my 2-year-old granddaughter, and everybody look and sit down, and it's okay. It's okay. But me can't come out here and say what me have to say. Girl, go tell your husband to take him big out of your grandson. Go tell him that. Tell him Maxine said. Go tell him Maxine said. You were the one who said you have so much on Steve. Steve can't do you nothing. You, Lorraine Campbell-Brown, say you have so much on Steve. Steve can't take you out of the house. But you're surprised. You're surprised to know Steve's son them have control of the house. Not Steve. At that bunny. At that bunny. Who is Michelle and Auntie Bob? Who is Michelle and Twin Pussy Auntie Bob? Twin Michelle and Twin Pussy Bob and Uncle Michelle, and the whole of them can't talk to me. People me no want to see you on social media they beat up on the gum. I don't want to see you on social media they beat up on the gum. I want to see you in a real life. I want to see you in a real life, and for the boy or girl or whoever you are who say, oh, I see you over by the hospital and you have to be careful who you messes with. I don't mess with nobody. And you should have known that you couldn't do nothing. I walk with thugs. I don't walk with simple people. I don't just walk with police or anything like that. I walk with thugs. The baddest of the baddest will come from Granville. The baddest of the baddest will come from anywhere in Mobile. That's who Maxine walk with. So try something, because you look like you need to go in a body bag. You not look like you don't want to go in a get me afraid if you tell you which part me there. Me not afraid if you tell you me there. A body bag you don't want to go in. Come try. Come try.
Shing. Foolishness. What about my secretary? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Who I get robbed this morning? Me say who I get robbed this morning? Come here, cool cat. Hey, I go like you know my rub. Me gonna show you how you rub, because you know how to rub. I never had a rub. I know why you never had a rub. You know, can you see one set of the same thing? I know too. You know what go on, you're dear man. But here you rub, yeah. Come on, say I saw you rub it, you know. Yeah, man, me love get you for. Me like go for you. Me like when you memorize them. And them crutches and everything. Try hear it this morning. Our birthday week. Wanna send Kylie Crawford the century. I wanna wish her a happy weekly birthday. Come. I angle the Croft. Where you say? Go ahead, go. Lorraine, I joke thing. I rub that bitch out. Lorraine gonna suck her mama. Lorraine gonna suck out her mama. She get rubbed. Where? I rub that. Lorraine, I joke thing. I rub that bitch out. Lorraine gonna suck her mama. Eh? Lorraine gonna suck out her mama shall get robbed. Alright. Me not stop you from rubber. Just wait, no man. Wait. Not stop you from robbing, man. Him forget rob. Alright. You ready for start rubber now? Come. And then we'll go through the whole. Then we'll go to share the woman of Florida. Well, and then the man drum wash get rob. We need an image fix. Yeah, man, we want a proper image for the proper witch. Right? Yeah. Everything I feel intact. Give me a second there. Hold on there. Come get the proper image for the proper witch. Some gal are craft, some gal are craft for the week, some gal are craft. Them beg on pepper in the street, craft, some gal are craft for the week. Wake up to merriment, international drunk, wake up. I bring your friend them for come rob you this morning. We bring your friend them for come rob you this morning. Hold on there. Yeah, man, I think this more better. I like that one here better. Come now, Sean. Yes, that one is nice. I like that one there. Me like that picture. Me like that one there. Me create that. Invent that. Yeah, the ugly something they want to say right there, so me make it. Tell her where I go on with her again. Me make that ugly something they want to say right there, so me turn that something a monkey like this right there, so. Harry, I joke him, I gonna rub that bitch out. Lorraine gonna suck her mama. Lorraine gonna suck out her mama, shall get rubbed. Come rub her, me say me nah stop you. Come rub her. Come now, come. Can you say you never da rub? You never da rub, you sound like it don't work. Me bring you come now for your rub her out. How I work with them? Come. Should never put in a mix-up. Where the monkey come from? Where the orangutan come from? You come here cool cat, making you are do all of the mobbings and the muddings this morning. You are gonna mud that drunk cry. Yeah, you should talk. She'd advertise for you because she'd want the door of them for come over there. That's her job on here. Just like when she come out and talk about charity and she's in the midst of corruption. That's her job. They're doing their work, their duty. Jesus not have nothing to do with them, Jai. Him turn from them. You know, see some of them going and come back from him. You know, see some of them curse all Bible and afraid, right?
Jesus gone left them long time, Harry.
Them have all them fridge down there. Save for the money for that one, I say. What me say? Yes, I know.
Oh, need one for Bob.
Okay. So maybe why the cussing could come heavy, because everybody turn back. So wait, no, Sheila, can't Sheila.
No.
Can't Sheila. I'm not gonna get, can't. What me say?
No. No shielding over here.
Seeing the show is about to really start.
Yes, me want to start. It's like too long to start, alright.
We're about to go to South Florida.
Yes.
Going shopping in someone's house. Yeah.
Yes, sorry.
Early morning entertainment. What we say? Got them class people. All for class people, we got them here to wear them clothes.
Yes.
Them this and beg them that. Let's go shopping in someone's house. Maxine, come here.
Me there.
I need to hear it from your mouth.
Me there.
While the image portrayed, okay? Come here, baby, come here. Come here, Maxine, baby, come here.
I'm here, honey. I'm here, baby.
Come here, Maxine. Hold on, Maxine, let me find the image for the people and the perfect image. Remember, the people them did not try to tear you down. The response, you know, so. I just play more of them, see how them come and yam food at your yard, how them hungry and everything. Yeah. And you tell them the truth, how them that try to set me up, and all of the things that my old God touch you and make you couldn't do it. Alright? Testimony. Crop of the week. Crop of the century. Let's go shopping in someone's house.
Watch our dirty face down on my yard today.
Yeah, look, man, and no man no want her. No man no want you. Yeah, man, him tell her shut up. Alright, I could pause that a little bit and have a little talk. I wanna tell me now, people are going to people can't class people. People will beg people pepper. Wanna look kind of people can't do it there now. We're on South Florida with there now. You're so far reach. We up like see there evidence, all pepper. I can get dose of pepper for $1.90 something. When you see me put it up on the thumbnail. When you can zoom in the thumbnail and look. A dose of pepper for $1 never got people yard for to get pepper. My tour. Well, short tour, Maxine go giving, talk about what's going on. Come here, Maxine, come. Well, the Maxine, where man tell her, say, shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. So now when tell her, say, don't wash the plate them. Him tell her, shut up.
Lorraine a girl there. Can't talk.
Tasha low life in America. Watch a craft.
Can't talk.
For the week, Maxine, get the food and get the tea bush them and get the things there.
Yes. Can't talk.
Yup, and tea bush too. Of course. Come, Maxine, talk it there.
See there.
Yes, him says, shut up your stinking mouth with the cracker teeth them in there. Get your bit like say, you're not here. And that himself, say, girl with a junja by your teeth. Shut your mouth, hey, girl with a mash mouth. Lock it. That him say, Ashanti.
And he was shut up, Lorraine, and said, shut up right here. Your side already, I want to hear because
Shut up! Shut your mash mouth! Shut your cracker teeth! Look on the ear on her head. How about the Goldilocks? The beard them need for come.
Harry, you never want to see the ear on the head. You never want to see the ear on the head. A pure grey and dirty sinting they fly out it girl dirty and nasty. A one nasty dirty drunk.